Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Cash App card. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to lock your Cash App card because maybe you misplaced it or maybe someone stole it. How do you actually go ahead and lock your Cash App card? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Cash App. Once you open up Cash App, on the bottom left hand corner next to the dollar sign, you're going to see a rectangular icon. Click on that. So this right here is your Cash App card. In order to lock it, all you've got to do is click on Lock Card, and you're going to see a prompt that actually locks your Cash App card. So now no one will be able to use it, and unless you unlock your card, your Cash App card will be locked. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and lock your Cash App card. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.